Hello, and welcome to A Brush with the Past. Welcome to this video about the arts and crafts movement. Every age has its own artistic rebellion, and the arts and crafts movement was no different. Born in Britain during the Industrial Revolution, it was a reaction to the social and artistic changes sweeping the world. Towards the end of the 19th century, Europe was beginning to see much change. Factories were becoming more widespread, cities boomed, and new technologies like railroads and steamships emerged. This brought wealth and progress, but also harsh working conditions, pollution, and social inequality. Towns and cities became doused regularly with pollution from a bevy of new factories, causing dirty living conditions, illness, and early deaths. Disillusioned by the harsh realities of industrialization, figures like writer John Ruskin and architect Ruskin Pugin looked back longingly to the Gothic era. They saw this pre-Renaissance period as a golden age, a time of not only strong moral values, but also a harmonious relationship with nature. For them, the Gothic style embodied humanity's greatest achievements. Prince Albert, a keen advocate for progress, envisioned the potential of industrialization to elevate the lives of people around the world. Fueled by this belief, he championed the creation of the Great Exhibition of 1851. This groundbreaking event aimed to be not just a showcase, but a platform for international exchange and inspiration. It sought to demonstrate the very best in industrial design and innovation, fostering a spirit of collaboration and competition that would propel further advancements. The exhibition's influence transcended its walls, shaping art, design, trade, and even global cooperation. A staggering third of Britain, some 6 million visitors, attended, with a daily average of 43,000 and a peak exceeding 110,000 visitors in one day. While the exhibition glorified industrial progress, it failed to address the harsh realities of factory production and unregulated trade, problems that had been recognized since the 1840s. This sparked a reaction from the arts and crafts movement. They were critical of factory production, particularly its reliance on machines that replace skilled workers. In response, they sought to revive traditional craftsmanship and create high-quality decorative arts. Fueled by their passion for reviving quality craftsmanship, members of the arts and crafts movement took a step further in 1888. They established formal guilds, echoing the medieval tradition. These guilds aimed to inspire excellence in design by drawing inspiration from historical styles, particularly the Middle Ages. Fueled by the arts and crafts movement, handicraft workshops, focusing on traditional methods of production, sprung up across Britain. Metalworkers, ceramicists, and jewelers honed their skills, while cabinet and furniture makers drew inspiration from pre-industrial revolution styles. This revival extended to everyday household objects, imbuing them with a sense of history. Interior designers also embraced a shift away from the purely functional aesthetic that had dominated earlier design styles. Instead, they drew inspiration from the natural world, incorporating elements that evoked the beauty of flowers and birds into their creations. The arts and crafts movement had a profound impact on the design world, particularly in the realm of textiles, clothing, and wallpaper. Designers, like William Morris, championed a return to handcrafted textiles and natural dyes. Their fabrics featured intricate detailed patterns inspired by nature. These designs moved away from the mass-produced, often bland fabrics of the industrial era, prioritizing quality and artistry. The Arts and Crafts Movement, Championing Art for the People, by Ruskin and Morris, found its beautifully crafted pieces, ironically out of reach for most people, due to high costs. This limited the movement's intended accessibility and eventually led to its demise. While the intricate designs and limited production of arts and crafts goods kept them out of most people's hands, their influence is still felt today. We remain grateful for the creativity of these early 20th century artists and the enduring legacy they've left behind.